Hi, this is Anurag, one of the co-founders at True Foundry. What I am going to demonstrate today is the experiment tracking solution from True Foundry called ML Foundry. It is built on top of MLflow compliant API and improves on a lot of things with respect to MLflow. So here we go with the design overview of the same. Once you log into True Foundry, you will get an API token which you can take and actually use into your code and start logging your projects and your experiments within the projects. Once you have done that, you can log your metrics, you can log your data, features, etc. After that, once you come to the UI, you have the entire structure wherein projects are the high level uh, entity, and within projects, there are runs. So if you look at here, like there are the list of projects in which you can see the collaborators, creators, etc. You also have option to actually add collaborators to a project. Like you can actually close it and you can add more collaborators if you want from here. um, Once you go into a project, you then go into the runs view. Here there are two views, list view and the comparison view. In the comparison view, you see different runs within a project being compared across different scalar and non-scalar matrices. So, for example, the custom tags, the precision and recall matrices, as well as precision loss over epoch, as well as the hyperparameters. You can choose to show or hide the hyperparameters. Here you can also kind of again go to the collaborator screen from here and accordingly act on that. Here you can also kind of go to this section and see runs from other projects. Right now you are seeing only runs from one project. Here you can go and compare runs from all the other projects. Uh, yeah, so again, once you are here, you can also go into the list view. In the list view, what happens is you basically see all the runs within a project, and you see the run owner, the inference time, the metric, etc. Within the list view, you can again go to a particular run, and in that run view, you see the entire run metrics. So your run metrics, including the overview, your run metrics, system metrics, etc. So let's dive into each of them. So the run metrics are basically your custom metrics that you have logged, as well as some basic metrics depending on the type of the model. Your system metrics correspond to things like CPU utilization, etc., which are again showcased here. Then you have the data and the feature metrics. This works primarily for structured and tabular data. Here you can see the split by training, validation, and test. You can also see the importance of features. You can actually see the, for any features like the train, test, and validation and their distribution. Once you click on it, you can actually see the distribution in much more detail. Um, and then from here, you can go to the application UI, which is basically a demo of the model. So if your model had X parameters, it allows you to put that parameters and run the inference, and you can see their output with basic explainability. This will be built on top of Streamlit. And then you have the artifact section where you have a file list and a code explorer section, as well as the graph architecture. Yeah, so thank you so much for listening to this. Please try using ML Foundry for your experiment tracking and let us know if there is any feedback. Reach out to us at truefoundry.com/contact. Thank you so much.